Hello, I am Zulkarnain, and you are watching Know Everything. Mars, the fourth planet from the Sun, has captivated the human imagination for centuries. Named after the Roman god of war, its fiery red hue has long symbolized mystery and intrigue, but beyond its enigmatic allure lies a rich history and an exciting future. Mars is also known as the Red Planet, due to its reddish appearance. The fascination with Mars dates back to ancient civilizations, where it was often associated with deities and celestial phenomena, but it wasn't until the 20th century that humans began to explore this neighboring world in earnest. The space age brought with it a flurry of robotic missions to Mars, each one peeling back the layers of its mysteries, from the Mariner and Viking missions to the more recent rovers like Spirit, Opportunity, and Curiosity. Humanity has steadily amassed a wealth of knowledge about the Red Planet. Mars has always been a tantalizing target for exploration. Its similarities to Earth, coupled with its unique features like Olympus Mons, the largest volcano in the solar system, make it an ideal laboratory for studying planetary processes. But exploring Mars is no easy feat. The harsh conditions, including extreme cold, radiation, and dust storms. Despite these challenges, humanity's ambition knows no bounds. The next frontier in Mars exploration is manned missions, with plans already underway to send humans to the Red Planet within the next decade. Once on Mars, humans will face the daunting task of establishing a sustainable presence on its surface. This will require ingenuity, perseverance, and collaboration on an unprecedented scale. Mars is a terrestrial planet with a thin atmosphere, composed primarily of carbon dioxide. It has only 15% of the Earth's volume, and just over 10% of the Earth's mass, even though it has approximately the same land mass as Earth. Mars is home to the tallest mountain in the solar system, Olympus Mons, a shield volcano that is 21 kilometers high and 600 kilometers in diameter. It has the largest dust storms in the solar system, which can last for months and cover the entire planet. The Sun appears about half the size, as it does on Earth when viewed from Mars. Mars has two small moons, Phobos and Deimos, which were discovered in 1877 by astronomer Asaph Hall. In 1997, the first Mars rover, Sojourner, landed on Mars as part of the Pathfinder mission. This small rover was only the size of a microwave oven, but it marked the beginning of a new era in Mars exploration. In 2004, the twin rovers Spirit and Opportunity landed on Mars, designed to explore the planet's geology and search for signs of water. These rovers far exceeded their expected lifespan, with Spirit operating for 6 years and Opportunity for an impressive 15 years. In 2012, the Curiosity rover landed on Mars, equipped with advanced instruments to study the planet's geology and search for signs of life. This rover is the size of a small car and has been exploring Gale Crater since its arrival. In 2020, the Perseverance rover landed on Mars, with a focus on searching for signs of past life and studying the planet's geology. This rover is equipped with advanced instruments, including a sample collection system to store samples for possible return to Earth. Humans are expected to go to Mars in the coming decades, with NASA's Artemis program aiming to return humans to the lunar surface by 2026 and establish a sustainable presence on the Moon. The ultimate goal is to use the Moon as a stepping stone for a manned mission to Mars, which could happen as early as the 2030s. Robotic exploration continue to send robots and rovers to explore Mars, gather data, and prepare the groundwork for human arrival. In situ resource utilization, ISRU, develop technologies to extract resources like water, air, and fuel from the Martian environment, reducing reliance on Earth-based supplies. Building a self-sustaining colony on Mars will be a monumental undertaking. We'll need to develop new technologies for food production, energy generation, and waste recycling, all tailored to the unique conditions of the Red Planet. Establish a permanent settlement in between 2040s to 2050s. Build a sustainable, self-sufficient settlement on Mars, using local resources and advanced technologies like 3D printing and recycling. Terraforming. Consider large-scale engineering projects to make Mars more Earth-like, such as releasing greenhouse gases to warm the planet or creating a magnetosphere to protect against radiation. Expand and grow. 2050s to next 50 years. Continue to develop the Martian settlement, expanding its capacity and establishing a thriving human community. Colonizing Mars poses numerous challenges. Here are some of the difficulties humans will face. Distance and communication. Mars is about 140 million miles away, making real-time communication impossible. Signals take 3 to 20 minutes to travel between Earth and Mars. Radiation exposure. Mars lacks a strong magnetic field, leaving colonists vulnerable to harmful solar and cosmic radiation. Harsh environment. Mars has unforgiving environment with extreme temperatures, 125 degrees Celsius to 20 degrees Celsius, low air pressure, and toxic chemicals. Gravity. Mars gravity is only 1/3 of Earth's, which can lead to health problems like muscle and bone loss. Landing and ascent. Martian gravity and atmosphere make landing and taking off challenging. Isolation and confined spaces. Long-duration spaceflight and Martian habitation will take a toll on mental health. Limited resources. Mars lacks readily available water, food, and energy sources. Economic and funding challenges. Establishing a human settlement on Mars will require significant investment and funding. Return journey. Developing a reliable and efficient return journey to Earth, or establishing a sustainable Martian society. As we stand on the brink of a new era in space exploration, the dream of living on Mars is closer than ever before. Through collaboration, determination, and a relentless spirit of exploration, humanity will continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, turning science fiction into science fact. If you liked the video, make sure subscribe and hit the like.